Hello everyone, I am Prabhake, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Welcome to WC and LTE 4G broadband subject. Today we'll learn about Module 1, Part A. In this we'll learn about the topic LTE network architecture. LTE network architecture. Evolved Packet Core is designed to provide a high capacity, all IP based, reduced latency, flat architecture that dramatically reduces cost and supports advanced real time and media rich services with enhanced quality of experiences. Evolved Packet Core also provides interworking with legacy 2G, GRAN, and 3G UTRON networks, which are connected via SGSN. The main functions provided by the EPC, that is Evolved Packet Core, includes access control, packet routing and transfer, mobility management, security, radio resource management, and network management. The Evolved Packet Core includes 4 new elements, and they are SGW, that is Serving Gateway, which terminates the interface towards the 3GPP radio access network. PGW, Packet Data Network Gateway, which controls IP data services. It helps in routing, allocates IP address, enforces policy, and provides access for 3GPP access networks. MME, it is a mobility management entity which supports user equipment context and identity as which are whether the users are authenticated or unauthenticated users, and also it authorizes the authenticated users. The last one is PCRF, that is Policy and Charging Rules functions, which manages the quality of service aspects. This block diagram gives you about the LTE architecture. It mainly consists of SGSN. SGSN is a serving GPRS service node. MME, mobility management entity. PDSN, it is a packet data serving node, which are connected to the different wireless cellular networks. GSM, GRAN and UMTS, HSPA, UTRAN are connected to the SGSN. LTE eNode connected to the MME as well as EPC with the help of control and user plane respectively. CDMA is connected to the PDSN network. And here the Evolved Packet Core is the access gateway, which consists of 2 modules, Serving Gateway and PDN Gateway. PDN is a packet data network gateway and SGW, that is called as Serving Gateway. In turn, these gateways are connected to the PCRF module, which is responsible for policy and charging rules. In turn, these entire modules are connected to the IP services, that is the internet. Evolved Packet Core architecture. The main logical nodes present in Evolved Packet Core are Packet Data Network Gateway, Serving Gateway, Mobility Management Entity. Evolved Packet Core also includes other nodes and functions such as Home Subscriber Server, Policy Control and Charging Rules function, Evolved packet core only provides a bearer path of a certain quality of services, control of multimedia application, which has been provided by the IP multimedia subsystem, and it is considered as the outside module of evolved packet system. EUTRON. EUTRON is Universal Terrestrial Radio Access Network. It is the only one which contains the evolved base stations that we call it as eNode or ENB. The main four elements of evolved packet core are serving gateway. This gateway terminates the interface towards the 3GPP radio access network. It acts as demarcation point between the radio access network and core network, and it manages user plane mobility operations. This gateway serves as a mobility anchor when mobile terminal, that is the user equipment, moves across the area served by the different eNode elements which are the part of EUTRON, as well as across the 3GPP radio networks such as GRAN and URAN. Serving gateway does downlink packet buffering and initiation of network triggered service request procedures. Other functions of serving gateway include lawful interception, packet routing and forwarding, transport level packet marking in the uplink as well as in the downlink, accounting support for per user and interoperator. Coming to the next element, packet data network gateway. It controls IP data service and helps in routing, allocates the IP address to the user, enforces the policy and provides access for non-3GPP access networks. The packet data network gateway acts as termination point of the evolved packet core towards other packet data network such as internet, private IP network or the IMS network providing end user services. This gateway serves as an anchor point for the sessions towards external PDN and provides functions such as user IP address allocation, policy enforcement, packet filtering, and charging support. Policy enforcement includes operator-defined rules for that is for resource allocation to control data rate, provide quality of service, and also proper usage of bandwidth and network parameters. Packet filtering functions include deep packet inspection for application detection. The third element is Mobility Management Entity. In short, it is called as MME. The MME performs the signaling and control functions to manage the user terminal access to network connection, assignment of network resources. Mobility management function such as ideal mode location tracking, paging, roaming and handovers. MME controls all control plane functions related to the subscriber and session management. It provides security functions such as providing a temporary identities for user terminals, interacting with home subscriber server for authentication and negotiation of ciphering, that means coding and integrity protection algorithms. It is also responsible for selecting the appropriate serving and PDN gateway and selecting the legacy gateways for handovers to other GRAN or UTRAN, that is UTRAN networks. It manages, that means MME manages thousands of eNode B elements, which is one of the key differences from 3G or 2G. The last element is policy and charging rule function element. It is a concatenation of policy decision function and charging rules function. Together, both the functions will be performed by this module. The PCRF interfaces with Packet Data Network Gateway and supports service data flow detection, policy enforcement, and flow-based charging. Thank you.